What's up everybody, it's Adam here at Apex. We're out today, we're gonna show you how these AirLYNX work with different pressure settings. We're gonna test with 0 PSI today and then 200 PSI on the trail to show you how they respond in a pretty heavy, whooped out, rutted out road. Just so you can see the difference in what they're doing. It really does make a huge difference in your overall driving experience. It adds a lot of control to the vehicle when you're going fast down a dirt road rather than being fully disconnected. It really gives you all the benefits of a trail rate sway bar, but you still have the benefit of a full rate sway bar if you want. And then you can also still disconnect all the way if you have a Rubicon. It really gives you the best of all three worlds. It's enough talking, let's go try it out. Notice the shock stroke on 200 PSI versus 0 PSI. 0 PSI has a full range of movement, meaning that it's delaying the engagement of the sway bar, effectively reducing the rate of the factory sway bar, compared to very little movement when aired up to 200 PSI. 200 PSI will effectively lock out the sway bar, both on the trail and on the highway. Our two favorite pressures currently are 0 PSI for any trail and 150 PSI for the highway. You can obviously tune what pressure you want for different driving styles and trail types and road conditions that you're in. The AirLYNX dramatically improve your overall ride quality. Rally up the dirt roads, conquer the rocks, then back to the highway for the drive home. The AirLYNX do it all in the best way possible.